Hello and welcome to Vibrantfounder. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily set up your business idea on our platform. Now, do you have any business idea? Let's get you started. The first thing we need to do is head over to vibrantfounder.com and sign up. In the sign up process, we can easily use Gmail or any other email provider. As you're in, we need to answer a few questions about our business idea, and then we are ready to get started with the onboarding. Now, in the onboarding process, you can easily invite your teammates, or you can skip that process and head over to the actual onboarding. The first thing you will meet is Growth Framework. Now there we have set up dynamic steps which will help you structure your business idea for the first time on our platform. You can easily define the problem you're trying to solve, solution, and so on. Now, as you finish with your step-by-step guide, you're ready to head on working with your actual business. This process will take time, and Vibrantfounder is there for you all the way. Now that was it for now. Until next time.